The Komatsu WB97S. The thickness of the road surface in areas with heavy traffic can reach 30 centimeters. This is quite a lot. Therefore, during repair works and replacement of the road surface, workers have to use really powerful equipment, such as this backhoe loader, the WB97S from Komatsu. The model belongs to the latest generation of backhoe loaders and has a huge number of innovations. Like any other special machine, the WB97S can work with all kinds of attachable equipment. In this case, the Indico HB600 hydraulic hammer is shown. It's designed for excavators weighing from 3 to 10.5 tons. The tool weighs about 390 kilograms and has an impact energy of 720 joules. Simply put, it's a hammer driven by hydraulic fluid. Its purpose is to destroy soil of any hardness, concrete or reinforced concrete structures, or as in this case, a road surface, so that the old layer can be replaced with a new one. This is actually a light hydraulic hammer, which differs from others that can be mounted on machinery weighing more than 120 tons. However, this compact size gives versatility to the tool. It can be used within the city for any construction or repair project. Broer 1560. Rolled sod is becoming more and more popular today. As the name suggests, it's delivered in the form of rolls, and then it's simply rolled out whenever you need it. However, if you've ever thought about how these rolls are made, now you'll see it with your own eyes. Here is the Broer 1560, a machine specially designed for cutting turf. It's a machine that cuts the lawn below the root system horizontally to the surface. After a strip of grass has been cut, the machine turns it into a roll and cuts it. The only thing left to do is making sure the machine is moving in the right direction and folding the finished rolls into the storage compartment in time. Since the machine monitors the roll's size on its own, they're all identical to each other. This means that the Broer 1560 is ideal for companies producing rolled sod. Land pack. Rollers are popular machines used on construction sites around the world. They're used to compact loose soil. This procedure is necessary during the construction of embankments, dams, road foundations, and other similar earthworks. Surely you're wondering what rollers have to do with the tool that you're seeing on the screen. So, a few years ago, specialists from Landpack showed their own version of a modern roller. Yes, this is actually a roller with an improved design. These are basically 3D figures with 3 or 5 angles. The fact is that a normal cylinder roll compacts the surface using its own weight. Landpack, on the other hand, uses not only its own weight, but also the gravity acceleration. Thus, this machine can compact the ground much faster and more efficiently, increasing the load-bearing capacity of the surface. Landpack can work even on soft ground. In the past, the soil had to be excavated and replaced. Now this powerful roller can do the job. Chip sealer. Before telling you more about this machine, we have to talk about a pavement surface treatment known as chip seal. This technology is popular in the US, Australia, as well as in New Zealand. It involves combining one or more layers of asphalt with several layers of fine aggregate. In other words, a thin layer of hot tar, bitumen, or asphalt is applied on the old asphalt. A fine-grained aggregate is poured on top of this layer. It's then evenly distributed and sealed into the viscous surface. Once dry, this surface is highly resistant to cracks because the road components are firmly fixed within a resin layer. Now we can talk about the machine shown here. It's designed to spread the bituminous layer evenly and quickly on the ground. The machine is designed to maintain the optimum temperature and viscosity of the liquid inside the tank. It can handle road construction tasks up to 50% faster. Voergeller Super 1003i. Here's another machine designed to speed up roadwork and improve the quality of the final surface. This is a convenient wheeled paver created by specialists from the German company Joseph Voergeller. Its working width is 3.9 meters. It can lay up to 230 tons of asphalt per hour. It's noteworthy that this paver is part of a fairly large range of products. The machines of this line differ in size and power, so there's a perfect unit for each task. The working width of such pavers varies from 3.2 to 18 meters. Just in case, we'd like to make it clear that a paver is a complex linear road construction machine. Such high-tech equipment is able to cope with a number of tasks. For example, it distributes and pre-compresses the mixture over the pavement layer which lies underneath. The paver is equipped with a large number of sensors, so all the work is done automatically. The advantage of this model is the folding storage compartment for the asphalt mixture. It makes the work easier for the construction team. DGS62 PLS. The last machine we want to show you today is a rail track stabilizer. It's a special machine used in the construction, repair and maintenance of the railway. It's a self-propelled railroad vehicle. It's equipped with a working device that creates powerful vertical and horizontal vibrations. These vibrations are transmitted through the rail clamps to the rail. But why? Well, the point is that crushed stone is not placed under the railway tracks to fix rails and sleepers in place. In order to function properly, the layer of crushed stone must remain dense. This is why specialists regularly perform deep ballast reclaiming and regulation. After that, the rail track stabilizer runs on the rails. It simulates the weight of a real train. The resulting vibrations affect the material and then seal it. The DGS62 PLS fulfills its task in the shortest possible time. Thanks to this, it's not necessary to block the road for too long. And secondly, after the work is over, there's no need to slow down the trains, as is the case with other methods.